Hey guys, what's up? It's Eric here and welcome to my instant commission site review and exclusive bonuses. Now in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what is instant commission site about, how it works, how it's going to make you money. And on top of that, as usual, I'm going to give you some amazing custom-made bonuses that I made specifically for instant commission site and for anybody that's going to pick it up through my bonus page, which is the first link in the description to get a huge advantage, or anybody else that's not going to see the video and get the maximum results out of this product and pretty much have a guaranteed success. Okay, so let's get started. Now, as you can see right now, I'm inside the cloud-based members area of the instant commission site, and in short, this is pretty much a done for you website with well over 50 done for you reviews, done for you videos, done for you everything. You can just steal in just 15 seconds, change up your affiliate ID and start having this website as your own without a domain, without any hosting. This is all cloud-based, and all you gotta do is just go to the instant commission site, change up your affiliate clickbank affiliate ID right here, and the entire website is going to be customized to you. You can just change up the photo, change up the name, last name and bio, and the entire website that looks something like this with well over 50 reviews that are here completely for you is going to be yours, and you will start receiving commissions from this website. This is perfect for beginners that don't want to do any technical stuff and want to start seeing those green bars on ClickBank as soon as possible. So I'm going to go more into the detail of this software in just a second, but before I do so, I would like to quickly go over my bonuses that I created for this. I spent a lot of time creating these, so please make sure to go through them. If you're watching this on YouTube, click on the first link in the description to come to my bonus page, which looks like this, where you can watch the video review again right here. And then when you click on any of these green buttons to pick up your copy of instant commission site, you will receive all these exclusive, hands down the best bonuses that you can find for this software anywhere else, completely for free immediately after your purchase in the Warrior Plus members area. So let me quickly go through them right now and explain why they are the best. So the first bonus is my one-on-one instant commission site support and coaching call. That's going to pretty much guarantee your results. In this bonus, I'm pretty much going to jump on a call with you and pretty much help you set this up correctly and tell you all the behind the scenes secrets to actually start making money from this site that you will set up in just 15 seconds. This is pretty much is going to guarantee your results because I'm going to be there to actually assist you with generating commissions using this system, and I believe there's just no better bonus than this one anywhere else. If you're going to find something better, let me know about it. If I think it's going to be better, then I will send you my entire bonus package completely for free, just for you sending me the bonuses. Okay, my bonus number 2 is my overview and walkthrough of the instant commission site and how I would use it to make money from it. So this is pretty much my personal overview of the entire product and how I would actually use it from completely start to finish of making, let's say, $100 per day, $1,000 per month, how I would actually go about promoting the website myself with the experience that I have right now. Bonus number 3 is all about traffic. This is Facebook ads domination course, how to get tons of targeted traffic for pennies. And this is pretty much starting with $2 to $3 per day as a budget. Okay, so in this bonus, I'm going to give you an entire access to a Facebook ads domination video course. That's going to show you how to get traffic from Facebook ads for as little as $2 to $3 per day, so you can start getting clicks to your website as soon as possible and start generating those sales in the next 24 hours or as soon as you're going to go through the entire course. Bonus number 4 is my free traffic secrets bonus, how to start getting sales with no investment. So in this bonus, I'm going to give you access to all of my free traffic secrets that I use pretty much daily in my business to generate commissions, and what kind of free traffic strategies that I'm using in my business. So pretty much my best kept free traffic secrets, you will get access to them right here. Bonus number 5 is Fast Traffic Tornado. This is pretty much my top 3 favorite traffic sources inside of one bonus. So you're essentially getting 3 for 1. So all the 3 top traffic sources that I'm using to generate leads and generate sales are all right here in this bonus. You'll get access to them again in the bonus number 5. Bonus number 6 is my The Secret Weapon course, best-selling course with more than 1,000 sales on Warrior Plus. This is pretty much my secret weapon to $200 paydays, and you will get access to the full video course with 10 plus over-the-shoulder videos. This is the sales page of the course. It's 100% newbie friendly, 100% original strategies, uses free traffic, you don't need the list, minutes to set up, and it's going to get you fast results. Just some of my results right here, and it currently sells for $12.95. You'll get 100% free access to it right here. And as usual, bonus number 7 is access to all vendor bonuses. So pretty much all bonuses that other affiliates are offering you as their custom bonus, you'll get them right here in my bonus number 7. So the vendor bonuses are Facebook Training Masterclass, WordPress Delayed Widgets plugin, 4 premium wallpaper site WordPress themes, Pinterest marketing guide, Reddit marketing guide, Instagram marketing guide, Shopify marketing guide, and WordPress left behind, WordPress, pretty much all these WordPress plugins. Okay, I don't really want to go through them and make this video very long, so you can just pause the video, check them out right here, but you'll get access to all of these bonuses that are right here in my bonus number 7. So all these bonuses that are right here, you get access to them in my bonus number 7. Bonus number 6 is my The Secret Weapon course that currently sells for $12.95. Bonus number 5 is my Fast Traffic Tornado. Bonus number 7, Free Traffic Secrets. Bonus number 3, How to Create Profitable Facebook Ads on Shoestring Budget, the Facebook Ads Domination course. Bonus number 2, my overview of Instant Commission site and how I would personally use it to make money from it. And bonus number 1, my one-on-one Instant Commission site support and / coaching call. So if you like these bonuses, all you gotta do is just pick up your copy through these green buttons that are on my bonus page, which is the first link in the description of my YouTube video. Now let's actually check out the product. So this is the sales page of the product. Attention, do you want a proven way to make real money online? Copy my $1,000 per month affiliate site in just 60 seconds and launch your site. Get paid commissions from ClickBank without writing any content or doing any manual work. Now this sounds very hypey, but when you actually look at it, they are claiming only $1,000 per month, which is completely realistic with the entire site, and how to launch your site in just like 60 seconds without any content or doing any manual work. Now this is 100% true as well, because pretty much they are going to give you an entire website, access to the entire website, and then a one-click solution to replace all the affiliate links with your own affiliate links, all the names with your name, and all the photos with your own photo if you wish to do that. So it's in less than 60 seconds, and that's definitely true. You can check out the rest of the sales page for more proof and for more income screenshots. Now what I love about this is they are not claiming that you're going to make $50,000 per month, $10,000 per month, but just a genuine and honest $1,000 per month, which is completely realistic. It's going to be all on autopilot because the entire website is completely done for you, and the replacement solution is really amazing. So let me actually show you how it works. So you will get access to the website that has Instant Commission site plugin there. Now you don't need to create your own website for this. It's already there. This is just the way they will deliver it. So it's WordPress. It is a WordPress plugin, but you don't need to download it. Okay, you will get access to the website. So when you click there, you will come to the main page. Step 1, important, click here to watch the setup and training video first. So obviously the training for the plugin and how to properly use it. Then this is your URL with your own affiliate link that's going to be hard coded to you. So anybody that's going to come through this affiliate link to your website, let me actually preview it, is going to land on this website that has more than 50 done for you reviews with done for you videos, done for you bonuses. Pretty much it's completely done for you. This is a website that Anchor, the creator of this product, is using to make around 1K, 2K per month from ClickBank on autopilot. And in this course, he pretty much gives you the entire access to it. So all you got to do is just change the first name, change the last name, change the bio, change the photo, and change your ClickBank affiliate ID right here. And then you will get pretty much access to all well over 50 offers. So all these offers that are right here, 57 currently, you will get access to them as a done for you package. Okay, so you won't get access to the offer, but you get to like promote it very easily. So let's check out, let's say Scribble review. Let me review it right here. And this is a review that's going to be there for you. Okay, so very high quality put together review with average score, with pros, cons. This is where your photo is going to be. And then there's the image, review video of Scribble, entire article. Then this is going to be your affiliate link hard-coded with your ID. So if any sale is going to come through this affiliate link, you will receive it. And pretty much the rest of the review is right here. Then the rating bars, pros, cons, and button again. Then you will get access to this offer as well. And pretty much all the offers that are here are going to be coded to you, and you can literally steal this entire website without your hosting, without any domain, nothing at all, in just 60 seconds. So that's it, that's the course. It's super simple but super effective. It's not complicated, you don't have to download anything, everything is cloud-based. And the price of the course, sorry, price of the software is $27. It's called Instant Commission Site. It comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 upgrades. Now let me quickly go through them right now. So the first one is Pro upgrade, is $47. This is one that I recommend because you can essentially double your online income by customizing your Instant Commission Site branding, adding your own banners, free gifts, coupons, and bonuses, and author profile, and add 10 new product reviews and articles each month to your site. So that it's going to look like this. And pretty much this means that you can customize the site even more, make it more personal to you, and they are going to add 10 articles every single month that you can hard code with your own affiliate link. So the site is going to be growing and you'll be getting even more commissions because it's going to get much more articles on it. Okay, so you don't have to write anything. It's like an autopilot done for you package that I recommend. OTO number 2 is traffic and leads upgrade for $47. You get to give away premium software product created by me. By me means the creator of the product, to build your own list, build unlimited email list, freebie landing page, opt-in page with Instant Commission Site, organic traffic from Google, Yahoo, Bing with your links. So the OTO page looks like this. This is something that I also recommend because you get to give away his software with a done for you squeeze page, done for you thank you page, done for you everything. Again, all you got to do is just switch up your autoresponder code and build up your own list using his offer. So this is something that I recommend as well because the list is the key to making money online. The OTO number 3 is the reseller license for $197. I don't recommend this one because it's very expensive and it only comes with 200 licenses, so don't really go for this one. OTO 4 is email upgrade. The page looks like this. I will give you the exact emails that made me over $100,000 in the last 12 months. Now you can get commissions from my copy paste emails, so you'll get access to all of his emails that he used to make pretty much well over $100,000 in affiliate commissions in the past 12 months. So this is something that I recommend as well, especially because the price is only $37. So you should definitely go for this one as well. And OTO number 5 is just the agency license. So it's like a reseller license, but cheaper. This is something that I actually recommend that you pick up because you get for $97 only 50 accounts. It's less than 200 accounts, but if you make some money from there, then I recommend you upgrade to the reseller license because I don't think it's really worth it to pick it up right away. Just go for the agency ones if you are going to promote this as an affiliate, because otherwise it's not going to help you at all. Okay, so that's all about the upgrades. That's all about the Instant Commission site. It's very newbie friendly. I highly recommend that you pick this up if you want a completely done for you solution when it comes to a review site. You can put a site together like this yourself, but it's going to take you a lot of time. You need to host it, you need a domain, you need the entire website put together, you need the articles, you need the offers, pretty much all what's in here done for you for just one-time price. So if you really want the shortcut, I would really go for this, especially with my bonuses, which makes this completely brain simple. Okay, that's simple, sorry. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.